at the crack of dawn, we'd set out for Trout River. With fishing poles at the fishing hole, we cast our lines in the water. And pretty soon, neath the fading moon, we catch our daily limit. But what's best of all, as I recall, was Dad and Son together. He talked of life as nature's friend and showed me how to reverence the Creator's plan, the world around, and the basics of right living. So don't take away those fishing rods, let us keep on fishing. To spare the rod might spoil the child and a whole new generation. Spare the rod and spoil the child, that's what the Bible tells us. My daddy didn't spare the rod, he took ours and went fishing. Those rods and reels at the river's edge,